This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, today I'd like to show you this quick overview of how to work with EPC with our new mobile capabilities on both tablets and iPhone or phones. What I would do is just to give you a little simulation of working with said tools. So as you can see now, I'm simulating working with an iPad, or we can look at working, say, with an iPhone 6, 7, or 8. What you see right now, it's pretty well all of the features and functionalities that are available within the regular platform on your your Office computer is available on mobile, so you can take it with you. What you'll see now is when you log on, you have the same access to all the different modules within the EPC, as well as your home page. So all of your widgets and home that you have created or you have to be able to navigate to your information is available, responsive within your tablet, within your view. Obviously, the widgets are reformatted to be able to have a mobile view, but then you're able to access the information the same way. So if you, as an example, I want to go in and see my process invoice, I can click onto process invoice and have the whole view of the process, and as you see in the details tab of all the descriptions, as well as below is here, you'll see the little tabs to be able to walk myself through the process as you would normally within the solution. Not only can you see it in details tab, but you can also view it in the graph form. What am I going to do is I'm going to flip my phone over just so it has a better view to be able to look at a graph view. I will click on the graph view and you'll be able to navigate around the same way you would within the app. So in this case, I want to come in here, see the information or description about that specific task. I just need to touch it and automatically it would give me the information. As additionally, the different role, whose role is involved. There's really no change management involved. You work with it within the same way. Let me just come back to my details view. I'll come back to my home and look at, say, I'm just going to flip it back over and say, look at one of the typical use cases of a mobile application is really to be able to continue to work even when you're not in the office, when you're on the road. So this case, and in the case often, it's because you want to, it could be that you're involved in approval cycles or in collaboration. So it allows you, gives you that feature, that functionality to be able to continue to work anywhere you are. So as you see here, you'll also be able to come in and see, click on it, see I have a pending approval. You will get a notification. You'll get emails saying you have an approval to perform. So you come in here, click on it, be able to come in, see my process, be able to add my comments, approve or reject it. You'll also be able to show the changes of your process the same way that whatever's in red has been removed, whatever's in green has been added. So again, no change management, you work in the same way. Another big use case for mobile is being able to continue with the collaboration. You don't want to become a bottleneck. So the EPC allows you to continue to collaborate on the processes or documents. You just would click on, you have your notifications of collaboration, you click on the collaboration, being able to go read the threads, reply to different threads, as well as create new collaborations, topics, incidents, questions, improvement requests. I'd also like to show you, so as you can see, easy to navigate about your processes, your collaboration, your approvals, as well as you can visualize. Another often use case is to be able to see or visualize my documents. So you can come in, see my list of documents, be able to go directly to a document, download it directly from the list. Also, you can do that from your home page. When you come in and see, I want to see this document, it will come in, give me my details, click on it, and you can download it directly as you see it downloaded, and you can open the document directly on your tablet or phone. So as you can see, it's a quick overview of how you would just work with it to navigate and to approve. One other use case could be actually building your processes out with the tool. Most cases, I would assume you would probably be using an iPad actually to build out your processes. So I'm just going to go on an iPad just to simulate the iPad and say I want to edit this process. Let me go to a process. Pick, say we want to edit this process. Come in, I can create a new one or an edit one. In this case, let's go in and say I want to edit this. You'll come in and have all the information that you need to edit, such as I need to add an additional responsibility. Come in and go choose your responsible as well as the RASI. So again, you're working the same way as you would be working within your own environment. If you want to create new, again, look at create a new process, and I'm going to go into the graph mode to be able to show you how you would actually just drag and drop new forms and shapes on. How you would work with the APC, same way as you normally would. You can edit the process details, come in and add the information that you need to add, as you would normally create a new process. So if you have any additional questions, as you see, it is a quite simple way of working with the tool. So if you have any additional questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.